How do I look? Everything's good. All right. This thing is not your regular. It's a rebuild, and people actually freak out when I say rebuild. But let me clarify a few things, right? Rebuilt cars are not regular. They've been in an accident, and then what we do is we repair them from scratch, certify them. It first of all, it stays at the salvage title. You cannot drive it without certifying it. Then uh, when we certify everything meets the safety criteria, only after that, what we do is we give it a title called rebuild after it meets all the safety standards. So back in the days when people didn't have wheel, what they did was they used to walk all the way up and used animals, right? Animals for transportation. But now we have cars. We have so many ways of going from one place to another. But still, we need to be the with the latest technology, with the latest certifications, right? It's a 2017. I'm selling it for 9,800, including safety plus tax. But you look at the same Volkswagen Jetta, which is clean title, they will sell it for at least $14,000 to $17,000, depending on the kilometer and the take care of the car. Rebuilt cars, yes, they've been in an accident, but they are safety certified, which means now they're back to life and can be driven. It's one of the best way to go along with cheap cash cars, because we all know that brokers charge at least $700 to $1,000. My specialty in selecting car is I keep cars in a budget, in a situation how people can buy it, right? Let's say 12,000, 10,000, that's under budget. But if I, let's say, give you guys a car that's 20,000 plus, then it's very hard for the mass people, even for me, to buy it. In these scenarios, you can go with rebuilt cars. There's a few bad sides. Let's say you cannot rent it to people. Let's say for Turo and other rental companies, but there's money savings. If your insurance is low, then does not matter if you drive a clean title or a rebuilt title. Where I'm from Bangladesh, and in my country, it's very hard to drive a car. That's the reality. Even if you drive a car that's reconditioned coming back from Japan after being driven for 1,000,000 kilometers, we don't even know. North America has Carfax, but those cars, I'm not sure what they have to understand the kilometers, the service reports, and this and that. This place has something called Carfax, which collects all the service data, the odometer, the condition, and everything. People understand the history of any car better than my place, my home country. It's a blessing that you guys cannot deny, but there's also a few functionality I cannot deny as a salesman. There's questions about rebuild title cars regarding safety, but let me clarify the myth. It goes through all the safety standard, passes them, then comes back to life, and after everything's matched, we can sell it as a registered dealer. We cannot give you guys salvage cars without certifying it. That is the thing. Yes, let's say you had been hurt in your hand. What would you do? You will not cut it off, right? You have headache. You will not cut your head off. You will take Tylenol medicine for that. Once your headache is gone, then everything is gone. Everything's fine. The same goes for cars as well. It's a part, right? It's a machine. If machine goes wrong, what we do, we repair it, and after it's been repaired, then what is left is the car with good safety standard. That's it. This one's not for sale. A customer is on the way on Sunday, so I'm gonna be booking this, reserving this, especially for that customer. And I'm not gonna keep or take any appointments for this one before Sunday. If everything's finalized, then we do the deal on Sunday. Other than that, I have other cars too that's rebuilt, cheap on money. You can buy it cash right away. The price you see is the price you pay. We don't charge you admin fee, dog fee, finance fee, this and that. No. We make money selling cars, and we want to make money selling cars, not by selling services like financial plans, etc. See you guys to another video, another review. Everything's raw, whatever is truth has been presented in front of you guys. See you to the next one.